Good morning students, God bless you. Welcome to Maths class 9th standard. Last class we have discussed rationalizing the denominator. In this section we are going to see about the scientific notation. Scientific notation. Expressing the number n in the form of a into 10 power n. It's a general form of scientific notation. Okay. In this slide we want to write, we get 3 steps. The first one, the first condition, move the decimal point, there is only one non-zero digit in left. Okay. Move the decimal point, there is only one non-zero digit in left side. Okay, the first condition, only one non-zero digits left. Okay, this is your first condition. The example is 2.003. So decimal left side, only one non-zero number. This is a non-zero number. The scientific notation. The second condition is count the number of decimal between old and new decimal. Okay, count the number of digits in old and new decimal. It gives n raised to the power of 10. The second condition is between old and new decimal. This is your second condition short form. That is, so 2003 suppose given. This is an example. This is also example. Example 2003 means here the last number get the decimal. So we move the right side to left side. 1, 2, 3. This is a new decimal. This is old decimal. This is a new decimal. So between you have 1, 2, 3. This is the power of exponents of n. So n is equal to here 1, 2, 3. So between the old and new decimals. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. So n is equal to 3. That's all. Then the third condition, the decimal is shifted to left, the exponents is positive. Okay. And if the decimal is shifted to right, the exponents is negative. Okay. So left means we get positive and right making the shift we get negative. Okay. This is your third condition. So making the shifting right to left we get positive exponents. Then we are making the shift left to right we get the negative exponents. Okay. The example is the same number 2003. Consider this number. Okay. So this is the right side decimal we get. So making the shifting 1, 2, 3. So 2.003. So making a shifting right to left. 1, 2, 3. So right to left means we get 10 power positive exponents. 10 power 3. Okay, these are positive exponents. Suppose you have 0.0023 means, okay, this number appear. Make the shifting left side to right side 1, 2, 3. So 2.3 into 10 power minus 3. So making the shifting left side to right side we get negative exponents. This is your condition of third. Okay. These three conditions you follow, easily write a scientific notation. Okay. Have you understood the scientific notation condition? Okay, dear student, exercise 2.8. First question, represent the following numbers in the scientific notation. Scientific notation. You have three conditions already know. Okay. So left side only one non-zero numbers on to right. Then the decimal point old and new between is the n value, and the last one, left side making the shifting, we get the positive exponents, and right side we make the shifting, we get the negative exponents. Okay, these three are conditions. The solution. The first question is 5, 6, 9, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. This is equal to. Now you consider the last zero get the decimal point. Okay. The condition first condition is left side only one non-zero numbers, as well as the a is lies between 1 less than or equal to a less than 10. The a lies between 1 to 10. That means 1 also taken. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 9. So up to 9 ways. Okay. So left side only one non-zero number. So below 10 number. So here is the decimal. So making the shifting leftward. So leftward if you make, you get the positive exponents. Don't forget. So this is the decimal point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So making the 11 shifting. So 5.6943 into 10 power 11. So no need to write the zeros. So after the decimal we get zeros is not valued. Okay. So don't need to write the zeros. So 5.6943 into 10 power 11 because we are making the 11th shift. Okay. Then the second question. So 2000.57, which is equal. The same manner. Now you have the decimal point here. So left side we must be going to only one non-zero number. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers exist. So making the shifting right to left. Now also exist the positive exponents. So thus making the shifting 1, 2, 3. So 2.3057 into 10 power so plus 3 because making only 3 shifting 1, 2, 3. Okay. So you are told the last question after the decimal zeros is not valued, but here after the zeros exists the numbers. So after 0 exists any numbers, want to write all the zeros. Okay, don't forget. So I write 2.2057 into 10 power 3 because I am making the shifting is 3. Okay, that's all. Then the third question. So 0 point. So number of zeros is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. Before 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 6 and 3 zeros, which is equal. Now we get here the decimal value. Here the decimal point. The decimal point left hand side must be equal to non-zero number. This is a 0. So this is not a scientific notation. Okay, scientific form. So using the condition we form the scientific form. Okay. So now the decimal move right, left to right. Making the shifting in right, we get the negative exponents. So this is the right side shifting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 shifting. So 6.000 in 10 power minus 7. Because the shifting is right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So minus 7. Because left side 6 is a non-zero number. Okay, satisfying the condition. So which is equal to 6.000. Okay. So after the decimal zeros is not valid, so 6 into 10 power minus 7. That's all the answer. Have you understood? In this slide, you do the fourth question. This is your homework. Okay. Do it carefully using the same manner of the third question. Have you understood? If you make the shift left side, we get the positive exponents, and make the shift right side, we get the negative exponents. That's all. And also left side point to non-zero number. Okay, that's all the scientific notation. Have you understood? Okay, the second question: write the following numbers in decimal form. Okay, the first question is 3.459 into 10 power 6. Okay, this is the reverse form of scientific notation. The solution: the first question 3.459 into 10 power 6, which is equal. Okay, the question is 3.459 into 10 power 6. Okay, so this is the reverse form of scientific notation. What is the scientific notation condition? Shifting towards left means we get positive exponents. So now positive exponents we get. So now we making towards right shifting. Towards left is the scientific notation. The converse is the right move. So plus 6 means the shift of the shifting is making right side. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. So remaining 3 is 0. So 3, 4, 5, 9 into 3 zeros. That's all. Now we are making that decimal point, last 0. This is your answer. Have you understood? The second question, 5.678 into 10 power 4, which is equal to, now also positive exponent, so making the shifting left to right. So here the decimal 1 to 4 shift. So 1, 2, 3, 1 to one more number, so adding 0. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 0. That's all. Then making the decimal point. That's all the second question. Then the third question, 1.0004 times, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 0 and 5 into 10 power minus 1. So negative exponents, when you get the scientific notation, making the shifting right to left. Okay, right to left. It's a reverse form of scientific notation. Don't forget. Okay. See here the decimal point is making the shifting 5 cos minus 5. So this is 1. Then remaining 4 numbers are 0. So 0 0.1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Then 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, 5. Okay. So the whole decimal is here. So making the 5 exponent, 5 shifting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here appear the decimal point. This is the right decimal number. Have you understood? And you get the positive exponents, making the shifting left to right, and you get the negative exponents means making the shifting right to left. Have you understood? In this manner, we do the fourth sum. Here also apply the negative exponents, so making the shifting right to left. So 7 shifting. So here in the decimal, making the leftward shifting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 moves. After we putting the decimal point, and before the decimal we are adding 0. This is a decimal form. That's all. Have you understood? The fourth question is the homework. Okay, dear students, today's homework, book page number 70, 71, 72 and 73. The page number 70 you have conditions of scientific notations, 3 conditions. So I want to write, then 71 page and 72 you have the examples 2.28 and 2.29, then 2 sums. Then 73 you have an exercise 2.8, question number 1, fourth subdivision, question number 2, fourth solution. That's all today homework. Do it well. Thank you. God bless you.